If you want to see your Google Drive files in a folder on your PC, this guide will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. This is perfect if you want your Drive files to feel more like regular folders on your computer, so you can open, browse, and manage them directly in File Explorer without having to keep switching back to your browser. Before we get into the steps, if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is install and open Google Drive for Desktop. This is the app that connects your Google Drive account to your computer and makes your cloud files appear inside Windows File Explorer. If you do not already have it installed, go ahead and download it from Google and set it up first. Once it is installed, open the app on your PC. Next, sign in to your Google account. Use the same account that holds the Drive files you want to access. After you sign in, Google Drive for Desktop will begin syncing your files and folders with your computer. Depending on how much data you have, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to finish setting up. Now open File Explorer on your PC. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar, or by pressing Windows and E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer opens, look at the left sidebar. You should see an option that says Google Drive. Click that, and this is where your Drive files and folders will appear. When you open Google Drive in File Explorer, you will see the same folder structure that is in your cloud drive. You can browse through your folders just like you would with files stored locally on your computer. To open a folder, simply double-click it, and then you can view the files inside. One of the biggest benefits here is that your files sync automatically. That means if you add, remove, or edit a file in Google Drive, the changes can sync back to the cloud. It makes your files easier to manage and much more convenient if you use both cloud storage and your PC every day. If you want a more organized workflow, you can treat these Google Drive folders just like normal folders on your computer. You can open documents, move items around, and quickly find the files you need without opening a browser tab every time. This is especially useful for students, office work, and anyone who stores a lot of files in Google Drive. And that is how to show Google Drive files in a folder on your PC using Google Drive for Desktop. Once you set it up, it becomes a really fast and simple way to access your files right from File Explorer. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.